Mental health experts are noticing an alarming trend. The rate of suicide among African American men and boys is climbing. And tonight, our in-depth reporter Anthony Hill uncovering the possible reasons behind this rising rate and what is being done to help.
Yo, what's good, everybody? It's the people's favorite counselor. I'm here, I'm chilling. Y'all are about to see something right now.
Tariq Greensbury is a local therapist. He's the owner of Dearly Loved Counseling in Tampa, and he's spreading the word about the power of therapy.
I am all about mental health of all people.
For 8 years, he's been seeing clients in a typical office setting, but recently, he's begun to harness the power and reach of social media by recording inspirational videos.
And you're gonna actually get to see some of the people brainstorm, share stories.
Tariq invited friends, family, and mentees over to have a candid conversation about mental health among Black men.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too.
Derek, my cousin Nick.
We'll check in with them later.
And we're gonna have to do something about it because with the numbers that I've been seeing, it's not looking good.
This is Natasha A. Pierre, a mental health educator, and the numbers causing her concern are the increasing rates of suicides among Black men and boys. According to the Suicide Prevention Resource Center, young African American men commit suicide at more than 3 times the rate of African American women. And the suicide rate for Black children ages 10 to 19 has risen 60% just over the past 2 decades, outpacing any other racial or ethnic group. Despite the rising rates, many Black Americans are not using available mental health services, which Natasha attributes to a lack of insurance.
If you've got the cash, great. But if you don't have the cash available, then that excludes you from services that can really impact, benefit, and affect your mental health positively.
I am greater than my worst accomplishment.
Living Hope Productions is trying to be a part of the solution by providing a safe haven for Black men to talk about mental health. They're doing this through a free national tour called Just Heal, Bro. Actor Lamont Rucker, known for his roles in All My Children, Greenleaf, and several Tyler Perry productions, is one of the panelists on this mental health tour.
Now, this is also a place of positivity. This isn't just about unloading all the negative, junk onto each other, but it's also about not being afraid to do that. Or even in spite of the fear, here's an opportunity even just to come and listen. Everybody doesn't even, everybody there doesn't talk, that sometimes they just don't, everybody don't want to say anything.
The event started in March of 2022 and has traveled to 19 cities. Organizers say they're trying to come to Tampa, but need sponsors to make it happen.
What Just Heal Bro does is it allows men to see, hey man, it ain't as bad as I thought it was, or man, now I have an avenue to now get with a group of men, because through the fellowship, man, we're exchanging numbers, we're exchanging social media.
Just Heal Bro.
Back at Tariq's place in Odessa, a conversation about mental health is underway.
I just feel like everyone needs help sometimes. Like, you can't do it all by yourself, you know what I'm saying?
With you and I, we talk a lot about just how much we love each other, how much we respect each other. And then there's times where you have to remind me that when we're doing at each other, you're like, this isn't the norm for me.
Sometimes I gotta escape, go out into nature, you know what I'm saying? Go out into the woods or the beach or something and just clear my mind.
And I still feel like I don't want to be that burden to kind of be like, oh, it's just over last weekend or the other weekend. And just knowing that I have those open doors and open arms to come to, man, it's life-saving because, it's been dark times.
Dealing with and taking control over your mental health is not always easy, which is why therapy with an expert can be a big help. I've posted several resources on abcactionnews.com. In Tampa, I'm in-depth reporter Anthony Hill, ABC Action News.